Assalamu alaikum and welcome to a tutorial on how to create a course at Madrasa.Online. So we're going to start off by clicking the new menu and going to course link. And I'm going to be using a template to explain the course creation procedure. If you do not understand an option, you can ignore it and the admins will take care of it for you. So the first thing we're going to do is write a title. So my title, How to Write My Own Will. If this course is a live course or it's a webinar, I'm going to also mention the timings that this course, the live sessions will be held. So here I mentioned Monday to Wednesday, October 12th to 14th, 7:30 p.m. EST or Eastern Standard Time. Underneath, I'm going to describe the course. So I'm going to briefly describe what I will be teaching in this course. I will also mention in it the intended audiences, the course objectives and goals, what the students will learn from it, and any other information that I feel is necessary. On the right hand here, I'm going to choose a subject that this course falls under. So because this course is to do with the Islamic will, I'm going to choose jurisprudence, al-fiqh. And I'm also going to mention the course type. Because this course has live classes via our virtual classroom, I'm going to mention that this course is a live course. If this course did not have any live classes, I would choose course option. And if this course had only one live class, I would choose a webinar. But because this course has more than one live class, I'm going to choose live courses. I'm also going to mention the keywords that will help the students find the course more easily. So will, for example, okay, so I'm just going to use that and add that. And finally, I'm going to add a course image. The bigger the image, the better. The system will resize it according to the proper dimensions. So after I've done the title and description and the other necessary components, I'm going to move on to the course curriculum. Okay, so this is section number 1. Okay, in this section, I'm going to add a title to the section. Okay, is a will necessary? And I'm going to describe briefly what this section is about. So Islamic will in the Quran and the Hadith. Okay, I'm going to add lessons after I've chosen the session. Okay, if I hover over to this blue booklet, it means that this is a lesson. If I go over here, it means this is a quiz, not a lesson. Okay, so I'm going to choose that it's a quiz and add a quiz. So section 1 quiz for will. Okay. After I've saved the course, I will have the option to edit these lessons wherein I can add PDFs or articles or videos or any other media that I find it to be suitable. And I can come later on and add more lessons or quizzes to this course. Okay, this is section number 2, legal issues. I've added organ donation as a lesson, power of attorney as another lesson, and again I can save the course and edit this lesson later on. Okay. Now, the course duration. The course duration is the time frame for the entirety of this course. Because this course starts on the 12th of October and ends on 14th of October, that's 3 days. So I'm going to mention that it will take 3 days to finish the course. Okay. And because each of my live session is 1 hour long, the actual time that the student needs to spend in this course will be 3 hours because there's 3 sessions. Okay, so 3 hours. I'm going to choose the start date. So let's say 31st of August. Maximum amount of students that can enroll in this course. Because this is a live course and there will be a lot of interaction, I'm going to limit the enrollment to only 10 students. If this is a regular course where there are no live sessions, I'm going to make it 1,000 or even unlimited amount of enrollment. I'm just going to put 10 here. Okay. And I'm just going to ignore some of these settings here. If I'm teaching this course with another instructor, I'm going to mention their name here. Skill level, all levels, languages, English, and so on and so forth. Assessment. If I have a quiz in this course, I'm going to choose some of the settings that are relevant. So for example, evaluate the result of the final quiz. Okay. If I don't have a quiz, I'm just going to check the first option, evaluate the lessons, meaning if they complete the lesson, then they have completed the course. Okay. Payment settings. If I want this course to be free, I will leave this as it is. If I want this course to be a paid course, I'm going to click this option and I'm going to suggest the price to the admin. So I'm going to say $10.99 USD. Okay. And I'm going to ignore these two options here. I'm going to go to certificates and I'm going to choose one of these certificates. I could also upload my own certificate and create a certificate. But for now, I'm just going to select this certificate and go select. Perfect. Let's just go back. And I'm going to go all the way down and click enable BB Press form for this course. I don't have to enable this form, but I want to have a course forum for the students to discuss the course materials. Okay, and I'm going to click submit for review. And if there's any message that I want to convey to the admin or the reviewer, I'm going to mention the message, and I'm going to save the course. And the course is done. Once the course is done, as you can see, I will have the options to edit each lesson and add articles or PDFs or any other course media. So I'm going to edit the Quran and the will lesson. Just click the edit and it will open in a new tab. Okay. So here I can add my article or any other course media. So I can add a PDF or something like that. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss in detail the editing and creating a lesson. Thank you.